Hey, it's Fuzzy. Okay, today we're going to do a review on the double-sided connectors. This is a 2-pin low-volt quick connector with locking buckles, okay? They're great for like LED lights, strip lights, Christmas lights, and they are strip-free wire design. It's amazing. I'll tell you what. Let me show you how it works. Okay, instead of doing all this stuff, okay? Now, this is bigger wire. I'm just giving an example of how you can do wires and how they, you need crimpers, you need a stripper, and then you got scenarios where, you know, they won't come together or they stick together, they come apart and all that kind of stuff. Look at that. Okay, that was with one crimp, okay? You know, then you don't have to deal with it. Look at that. Okay, then you've got this. You've got, you can pull it apart, you can put it together, but you need two of them. Right, so you got to crimp this end, and then look at that. That wire is exposed, so you're gonna have to cover it if it's out in the elements, right? So that kind of scenario. Then you've got this other scenario where you can put the wire straight through, and then put this wire in, clamp this down, and use a, you know, you got to use a pliers, and then you put this down. Yeah, that's not the perfect scenario either, right? But I'll tell you what, these are great. So what you do with these, and there's two ends, right? So say you got some strip lights or whatever, or Christmas lights that got cut for some reason, right? So you take the two ends and you lift this little buckle up and you put the wire inside there, okay? And then all you do is clamp it down. Now, it's not easy, and I don't think this is the right wire, but you got to have, I think, a little bit, you know. Anyway, okay, so I have to get a pliers. Okay, I just want to show you guys how this works. Now, I want to get that down because I want to see this thing clamp, okay? Okay, there it is, right there. Okay, so now this is obviously heavier wire than what you normally use. It's almost like, you know what Christmas lights are and stuff like that. Anyway, so you get that one down, then you get the other one down like that. So let's get this one down too. And believe me, you don't have to use pliers every time. All right, so now you got your two ends. Now, if you happen to have to unplug these wires at some point, somewhere, you know, all you do is clamp it together. And off you go, right? You want to take them apart? You just pull them apart. I love it. And mine, this one here comes in a pack of 50, so, you know, you use them all because they're two-sided, right? So, that's what I like about that. And you can always reuse these, right? All you have to do is take this apart, pull these out, and reuse it. Genius. All right, you guys. Hopefully I made a good video of this, and you can subscribe and like and all that kind of stuff. And I hope you guys can use these. I think they come in handy in your workshop or whatever, you know, just to have them around just in case you need them. Hey, look at that. I got one of those. We can put the wire together and go from there. And they are both compatible with each other. Doesn't matter which one you take. They go together each other, and off you go. All right, take care, guys.